Welcome to the MVX Fire Safety Training Module Storyboard. This is a 3D storyboard put together to demonstrate the basic outline of our Fire Safety Training Module design. The purpose of this module is to provide instructions and assessment on the safe operation of fire safety procedures and equipment. The user will begin in a virtual fire safety library where they can study the different types of fires, learn to identify the different types of extinguishers, and be shown the correct procedure to follow in emergencies. It may take as long as they would like in this room to familiarise themselves with the information they will need to proceed through the module. When prepared, they can leave the library via the door with the exit sign above it. Once through this door, the training scenarios begin and a timer starts. The aim of the game is to complete the module in the quickest time possible. This is the first level. The location for each level will always stay the same. What will change is the fire emergency scenario. For example, this level has 3 possible scenarios, which will be randomly chosen at the time of play. Each scenario may show a different type of fire, whether it be a flammable liquid, a flammable gas, or a combustibles fire. Once the user has been shown the cutscene of the emergency situation, they must then, using the knowledge collected from the library, safely perform the correct fire safety procedure to eliminate the danger. In each scenario of Level 1, this procedure is started by reporting the fire. Once this is done, a choice of fire equipment becomes available, and they must correctly identify the best equipment for the job. When selecting the equipment, a prompt will come up on screen, asking the user if they would like to use the equipment straight away or read more information about it. By choosing the latter option, the user will incur a time penalty. The information needed could have been gathered earlier at the library without any penalty. The user must then attempt to put out the fire with their chosen equipment. At this point, one of 3 outcomes can occur. If they pass with flying colours by choosing the best equipment and following the correct procedure, they will receive a time bonus. If they pass but without using the best equipment, they may incur a time penalty. Both of these outcomes allow the player to move on to the next level. However, if you fail by using the incorrect equipment or by not following procedure, you will be sent back to the beginning of the level to complete the next random scenario. Once the level has been achieved, a green exit sign will appear above the entrance to the next level, and the user must make their way to it. Entering through the door will begin Level 2. This is Level 2. In this location, a generic warehouse, there will be 2 random scenario possibilities, a combustibles fire and an electrical fire. The fire cutscene will be shown and the user must once again follow the correct safety procedures to eliminate the danger. Reporting the fire is essential, and once this has been completed, a CO2 extinguisher becomes available to use. The user may opt to use the fire extinguisher immediately. However, due to the nature of CO2 extinguishers, they will fail as they have not created the necessary airflow in order to use it safely. They will then have to begin the level again, moving on to the next random scenario. If they choose to use the extinguisher later, and instead open the warehouse doors, they will pass the level as they have safely created airflow before attempting to extinguish the fire. They may then proceed to the next level by making their way to the door with the exit sign above it. This is Level 3. This level is located in a kitchen to create the scenarios for Fire Type Class F, Cooking Oils and Fats. It will take on the same layout as the previous level with 2 random scenarios. After hitting the fire alarm, once again an array of equipment will be shown. The system will limit which types of equipment are available for each scenario, in order to train the user on a broad range of items throughout the module. These next slides are to show that when selecting the option to read more information of an item, there is the relevant time penalty. The user may choose to read each of the item's information, however they will continue to receive time penalties for every one. Once they are happy with their choice of equipment, they may then use it to attempt to put out the fire. In this level, the optimum piece of firefighting equipment is the fire blanket. Using the fire blanket will give them a full pass, giving them a time bonus and the ability to proceed to the next level. This is Level 4. This level is back outside and located next to a large gas tank. This level is slightly different to the other levels in that there is only one possible scenario. The fire has to be reported, but while on the phone, the user is advised by the operator to evacuate the area at once. At this point, an exit sign will appear above a waiting vehicle, ready for evacuation. and a fire extinguisher will become available to use. The user then has a choice of what they would like to do. If the user chooses to attempt to put out the fire, they will fail, and will have to repeat the level. If the user chooses to evacuate to safety, they will pass and the vehicle will take them to the next level. For more information, please contact Douglas Bester at Sentient Computing.